Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, be sure to turn off the water to your dishwasher. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the heating element in a GE dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 5/8 open-ended wrench, 5/16" nut driver, 1/4" nut driver, Phillips screwdriver, flat blade screwdriver, and a pair of large pliers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new heating element. The heating element heats water inside the tub during the wash and dry cycles. It operates by the main control board. The main reason why the heating element would need to be replaced is if it burns out, causing water not to get to the desired temperature, and as a result, dirty dishes. To get to the part, we need to open the door. To remove the dishwasher, we need to take out a couple of Phillips screws that holds it to the countertop. Put the towel in the plastic container under the shutter valve just in case the water will leak down. And then using the 5/8 open-ended wrench, take off the water line. Then using the 5/16" nut driver, loosen up the hose clamp and remove the drain hose from the air gap. Be careful, there is still some water inside the hose. Use a container or the towel. Alright, now we're gonna pull out the dishwasher. I'm gonna hold it here and slowly pull it out. Lift it up. So now we're gonna place the dishwasher on the side. I'm gonna use a flat blade screwdriver to remove the wires from the heating element terminals. Then I'm going to use the large pliers, and I'm going to unscrew those nuts, plastic nuts. Just start it and then you can do it manually. Don't throw them away because we're going to need them. Alright, the dishwasher goes back on its feet. Alright, it's going to jam the dishwasher onto the countertop so it wouldn't fall forward while we're working inside. That's enough. So now we can open the door. Pull out and remove the bottom rack. Now we're going to take out the lower spray arm by turning that lock nut, looking from the top counterclockwise. And we can remove it. So next we're going to take out the couple of 1/4" screws that holds the mounting brackets. And I'm going to slide the brackets off. And now we can pull out the heating element and free it from this rear bracket. This is the old heating element next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so there is a new heating element. I'm going to place it into the cutouts here. And the rear bracket, I'm going to slide it in. Then I'm going to place the front brackets, lift up the element, slide it on. And the second one,
And we're gonna secure them with a couple of 1/4-inch screws. Now we're going to install the spray arm. As you can see, we have 4 tabs on the side, and we're going to place them into this tube, push it down, and then I'm going to turn the lock nut clockwise, looking from the top to lock it in. The lower dish rack goes in, and I'm going to slide it in and close the door. So, and I'm going to pull out the dishwasher. And put it on the side again. So now I'm going to secure the heating element with these plastic nuts. I'm going to use the large pliers to tighten them just a little bit more. And now I'm going to connect the 2 wires to the terminals. Alright, now I'm going to put the power cord in. And the drain hose. And we can place the dishwasher upright. And we can slide the dishwasher under the countertop. Now we're going to duck under the counter and pull out the drain line, water supply line, and the power cord. And we can continue installing the dishwasher. Let's manually thread on the water line onto the shadow valve, then tighten using 5/8 open-ended wrench, and then we can take out the towel and the container. Connect the drain hose to the air gap and tighten the clamp with the 5/16" nut driver. And next we're going to secure the dishwasher to the countertop with a couple of Phillips screws. I'm using a Phillips screwdriver, and I'm going to tie it up so it wouldn't go anywhere. And now we can close the door. Turn the water on, plug the dishwasher in, and run it to check for leaks. Hopefully there is none. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.